Ever wondered how you might be turning women on without even realizing it? You know, those little things you do that make you irresistible? Well, get ready to find out. Today we're diving into 7 ways you accidentally turn women on without saying a word. And trust me, these aren't your typical dating tips. These are everyday actions that can make a big impact. So buckle up and let's get started. 1. Confidence is key. All right, let's talk about confidence. And no, I'm not talking about strutting around like you own the place. It's not about arrogance or being boastful. Real confidence comes from within. It's a quiet strength that doesn't need to shout to be heard. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, owning who you are, flaws and all, embracing your imperfections, and turning them into your strengths. Think about it. Have you ever noticed how someone just lights up a room when they walk in? It's like they have this invisible aura that draws people in. It's not always about their looks, it's about the energy they radiate. That positive, self-assured vibe that makes everyone around them feel at ease. When you believe in yourself, it shows. Your body language changes, your posture improves, and you carry yourself with a sense of purpose. You walk a little taller, you smile a little brighter, you just exude this magnetic energy that draws people in. It's like a ripple effect. And let me tell you, that kind of confidence is irresistible. People are naturally drawn to those who are sure of themselves. It's about those little things, like making eye contact and holding it, showing that you're present and engaged in the moment. Not being afraid to speak your mind and going after what you want. It's about taking risks and stepping out of your comfort zone. It's about being comfortable in your own skin, whether you're dressed to the nines or rocking your favorite comfy clothes. Confidence isn't about what you wear, but how you wear it. It's about knowing your worth and not settling for anything less. It's about setting boundaries and respecting yourself enough to walk away from what doesn't serve you. And the best part? Confidence is contagious. When you exude confidence, it encourages others to do the same. When you're confident, it inspires those around you to feel more confident too. It's like a chain reaction of positivity. So embrace your unique qualities, celebrate your strengths, and let your confidence shine through. Don't be afraid to show the world who you truly are. Trust me, it's the most attractive accessory you can wear. Confidence is the key to unlocking your true potential. 2. Stand tall. Okay, this one might seem a little strange, but trust me on this. It's something simple yet incredibly powerful. Good posture can make a world of difference. It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling good too. Think about it. When you see someone slouching, do they scream confident and approachable? Probably not. Not really. But when you see someone standing tall, shoulders back, head held high, it just screams, "I've got this." It's an instant signal of self-assurance. Good posture conveys a sense of strength, confidence, and presence. It's like wearing an invisible crown. It shows that you care about yourself and how you present yourself to the world. It's a nonverbal way of saying, "I respect myself." And let's be honest, who wouldn't be drawn to that? Confidence is magnetic. Think about superheroes for a second. They always stand tall, ready to take on the world. Their posture is a part of their power. They don't slouch or shrink back. They own their space. They command attention and respect. Now, I'm not saying you need to go full superhero pose, but maybe just stand a little taller. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. It's a small adjustment with big impact. It not only makes you look more confident, but it actually makes you feel more confident too. Your body language can influence your mindset. Plus, good posture is great for your health. It's not just about aesthetics. It aligns your spine, improves your breathing, and can even reduce back pain. It's a holistic benefit. So stand tall, my friends, and let the world see your amazing self. Embrace the power of good posture and let it transform your life. 3. The power of a genuine smile. You know I love a good smile. A genuine smile can light up a room and melt even the coldest of hearts. It's like a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day. But here's the thing. It has to be genuine. A forced smile is about as appealing as a cold bowl of oatmeal. No thanks. A genuine smile reaches your eyes, crinkles them up at the corners, and just radiates warmth and happiness. It's contagious, too. When you smile at someone, it's hard for them not to smile back. It's like an instant mood booster. Think about someone you love spending time with. Do they have a great smile? I bet they do. A smile shows that you're approachable, friendly, and kind. It makes people feel comfortable and at ease around you. And let's be honest, who wouldn't want to be around someone who makes them feel good? So the next time you're out and about, flash those pearly whites. You never know who might be smitten by your infectious grin. 4. Making a connection. Okay, this one is all about making a connection. Eye contact is like a window to the soul. It's one of the most powerful ways to communicate without saying a word. It's how we connect with others on a deeper level. When you maintain eye contact with someone, it shows that you're present, engaged, and interested in what they have to say. It's a silent affirmation that you value their presence. It's like you're saying, I see you, I hear you, and I'm here with you. And that kind of attention is incredibly attractive. It builds trust and can even make the other person feel more confident. Now, I'm not talking about staring someone down like you're in a staring contest. That's just creepy. It's about being natural and genuine. It's about finding a balance, holding someone's gaze for a few seconds longer than usual, letting them know that you're really listening. It's those few extra seconds that can make all the difference. It's about those little moments of connection that can spark something special. These moments can turn a simple interaction into a memorable experience. Think about it. Have you ever had someone look at you in a way that just made you melt? Like their eyes were speaking directly to your heart? Like they were seeing right through you in the best way possible? That's the power of eye contact, my friends. It's a universal language that transcends words. It's a subtle but powerful way to create intimacy and connection. So next time you're with someone, try holding their gaze a little longer and see what happens. 5. Kindness counts. You know, they say nice guys finish last, but I don't buy it for a second. Kindness is always in style. It's about treating others with respect, empathy, and compassion. It's about going out of your way to make someone's day a little brighter. And let me tell you, those small acts of kindness can make a big impact. Think about it. Holding the door open for someone, helping someone carry their groceries, or simply offering a listening ear can make someone's day. It shows that you're paying attention, that you care, and that you're willing to go the extra mile. And those qualities are incredibly attractive. Kindness is about being the kind of person who makes the world a better place, one small act at a time. And who wouldn't be drawn to that? 6. Laughter is the best medicine. Oh, there's nothing like a good laugh. A sense of humor is like a breath of fresh air. It's about finding the humor in everyday situations, not taking yourself too seriously, and being able to laugh at yourself. And let me tell you, being able to make someone laugh is a superpower. It's about sharing joy, connecting with others, and creating a sense of lightheartedness. Think about the people you love spending time with. Are they funny? Do they make you laugh? I bet they do. Laughter is contagious, and it's a powerful way to build rapport and connection. It shows that you don't take life too seriously, that you're able to find the joy in everyday moments, and that you're fun to be around. And who wouldn't want to be around someone who makes them laugh? 7. Passion projects. All right, this one is all about finding your spark. Passion is contagious. When you're passionate about something, your eyes light up, you radiate energy, and you can talk about it for hours on end. It's about finding something that sets your soul on fire and pursuing it with everything you've got. And let me tell you, that kind of passion is incredibly attractive. Think about it. Have you ever met someone who was so passionate about something that it made you want to know more? It could be anything from photography to pottery to saving the rainforest. When you're passionate about something, it shows that you're curious, engaged, and excited about life. It makes you more interesting, more dynamic, and more attractive. So find your passion, pursue it with gusto, and let it shine through in everything you do. The little things make a big difference. So there you have it, 7 ways you might be turning women on without even knowing it. Remember, it's not always about grand gestures or cheesy pickup lines. It's about the little things, the way you carry yourself, the way you treat others, and the way you approach life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, it's the little things that can make a big difference. Go out there and be your most confident, kind, and passionate selves.